Catastrophic tides flooding cities, pitch-black nights, an ice age more intense than anything Earth has ever seen, and tungsten-colored evening skies. This is what would happen if we swapped our moon with other moons in the solar system. Spoiler alert, most of these swaps wouldn't end well for us. Let's kick things off with a true giant, Titan. You're used to our regular old moon, its familiar size, the gray lunar regolith covering its surface. But Titan, that's a whole different story. Saturn's moon is a behemoth, the second largest in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. Unlike Mercury though, Titan is icy cold. Around 180 degree warms, or 290 degree calms. Its surface is dotted with rivers, lakes, and seas, but they aren't water, they're methane. Definitely not a pool you want to swim in. If we swapped our moon with Titan, Earth's nights would change dramatically. That silvery white glow would be replaced by a golden-orange twilight. Titan would appear enormous in the sky, about 1.5 times the diameter of our current moon. And thanks to its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, stretching nearly 600 kilometers into space, it would look like a giant, fuzzy orange orb. Sounds pretty, right? Well, brace yourself. Titan is about 80% more massive than our moon. That means stronger gravity, higher tides, twice a day, every day. Coastal cities would flood, erosion would skyrocket, and beaches as we know them would vanish. And it wouldn't stop there. Titan moving from Saturn's orbit to ours would heat up, its methane lakes would evaporate, and the icy crust would melt, revealing a subsurface ocean. If there's life beneath that ice, we might get the chance to explore it, but over millions of years, Titan's low gravity would let it lose water and gases into space, eventually leaving behind a barren, lifeless moon, just like ours. But Titan isn't the only cold, lifeless moon. Your career could end up that way too if you don't stay ahead of the game in today's job market. That's where our sponsor, Outskill, comes in. Outskill has condensed years of knowledge into a 2-day AI mastermind workshop. 16 hours of deep dive content on AI tools, prompt engineering, automation, and building AI products. No coding required. It's happening this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern. Past learners have launched over 100 AI products, with some earning up to $5,000 per week. And here's the kicker, Outskill is giving away 1,000 free seats, exclusively for viewers of this video, for the next 72 hours. You'll also get 3 bonuses valued at $5,000. A prompt Bible with 3,000 prompts, a roadmap to monetize AI, and a personalized AI toolkit builder. All free. Grab your spot through the link in the description. Now, back to the moons. Next up, Ganymede, Jupiter's massive moon, bigger than Titan with its own magnetic field. Its icy surface reflects sunlight far more than our moon, making it glow brilliantly at night. Twice as massive as our moon, Ganymede would trigger massive tides, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions worldwide. But it could also stabilize Earth's tilt, preventing ice ages. Its icy crust would eventually melt, revealing a vast saltwater ocean hundreds of kilometers deep. Ganymede might just become the most inviting moon if you survive its initial chaos. Now, let's talk Io, another moon of Jupiter. Famous for its hundreds of active volcanoes, Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Its tidal heating is caused by gravitational interactions with Jupiter, Ganymede, and Europa. Swapping our moon with Io would give Earth a spectacular show. Erupting lava, golden orange glow, and volcanoes visible through a small telescope. Fortunately, Io is similar in size and mass to our moon, so tidal effects on Earth would be minor. Next, Europa, Jupiter's icy moon, possibly hiding a vast subsurface ocean. It reflects 5 times more light than our moon, and its lower mass would weaken tides on Earth. Over millions of years, Europa's presence could destabilize Earth's tilt, causing bigger climate swings. But, being so close, just 238,855 miles away, we could potentially visit it within a few days of travel. Then there's Triton, Neptune's retrograde moon. Orbiting backward, it's covered in icy cryovolcanoes ejecting frozen nitrogen, methane, and water. It would appear bright in the night sky, but Earth's tides would drop significantly. Over time, its ice would vaporize and dissipate, leaving a smaller, drier remnant. Mars's tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, are next. Irregularly shaped, tiny, and only a fraction of our moon's mass. Replacing our moon with them would leave Earth's nights pitch black, tides mostly controlled by the sun, coastal ecosystems collapsing, and wild, unpredictable climate swings. Phobos is slowly falling into Mars. Imagine that, a 17-mile-wide rock plowing into Earth. Extinction-level disaster. Finally, Enceladus, Saturn's icy moon. It sprays water and gas into space, forming Saturn's E-ring. Bright but small, its mass is too weak to create strong tides. Ocean levels would drop, coastal ecosystems would be disrupted, and Earth's tilt would eventually become unstable. But we might discover life in its emerging oceans, a small consolation in a disastrous moon swap. In short, swapping our moon for others is a fascinating idea, but most options would wreak havoc on Earth. While exploring alien moons sounds amazing, I think I'll stick with our familiar dependable moon, the closest place in the solar system where you can deliver a burger. But that's a story for another Chase Dies in Space. Siya sa story tamtarin.